Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Wednesday, November 16th. We're seeing some buyers coming back in that NASDAQ market. That's what we're looking for, and I'm looking for follow through to the upside on Wednesday. We have numbers coming out that I think will support that movement. But let's take a look at the dollar. We can see that the euro tried to strengthen, but it lost that ground as the dollar became stronger. I think we need to be cautious here if we're going to see an up move in the euro against the dollar. Today would be the day that we would expect that. That's Wednesday. So we're looking for follow through to the upside, that potential. I think we need to be on guard for that kind of behavior. Over in the Canadian dollar, though, it did firm up as crude oil firmed up. So that difference between the bearish and bullish level in that market's $900 a contract. I do look for follow through as long as crude oil can maintain its current momentum. In the 10-year notes, this is also we're looking for an unchanged type day. It is potentially bullish. I think we have to be prepared for that type of behavior. I do not look for strong follow through on Wednesday, rather a sideways move in that market. And in gold, we knocked on the door by just a couple ticks. I thought this was structurally bullish. I was looking for an up day, and we did just by a few ticks. The magnitude change between the bearish and bullish levels in that market is $5,700 a contract. I do look for follow through to the upside eventually, but right now I'm looking for a sideways move on Wednesday. In crude oil, we did trade above its bullish level. The magnitude change between its bearish and bullish level here, these two lines, that magnitude change is $300 a contract. I don't look for a dramatic move up though in Wednesday's action, but unchanged to higher is expected. If we take a look at what's going on the grains, this is the Jan contract. It's bouncy. It wants to go higher, but is there a reason to really fuel a move here? Well, right now I am looking for that to happen on Wednesday. I'm looking for buyers to come back into that market. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again, and as always, take care.